The breeding process will be able to raise the numbers of the Mexican wolves and save them from extinction. And so far, it's been a pretty successful project. They've actually been able to re-release 2 different packs into the Yellowstone National Park, and those packs are actually doing pretty well. So we are hopeful. It's a hopeful story that we will be able to help these guys out and be able to save them from extinction.
Should I be eating a stick?
What?
Should I be eating a stick?
Oh, that's fine. You have pet dogs that like to chew on sticks, right?
What?
Let them getting out of the cage.
Do we let them out of their enclosure here? No. These guys are going to stay in there.
Since one just got out before.
Oh, they have like a separate little area over there that they can go into where they have like a little dog house.
Oh. They like it?
Yeah, they really do.
Yeah. So right now, like I said, we don't really have males at this point. So right now we're just a housing facility for these guys. But at any point, these guys are on that SSP, the Species Survival Plan. So at any point, it might be decided that these guys should go to another zoo for breeding purposes. You know, it's very hard. The only one that I can tell is Durango, usually, because he's quite a bit darker than the other ones. But
Where's Baringo?
it's hard to tell the difference.
Where's Baringo? He's right there.
Yeah, I believe he's this one.
That one.
They all do look the same.
Alright guys, you want to go check out our tiger?
Yeah.
Born here at the zoo.
Whoa.
Years back. Interested her in that.
Can you zoom in? I don't want no monkey video on my phone.
Watch out, watch out.
It's not for you, Chuck. It's for him.
Oh, watch out. Don't touch it. Hey.
Live on snow anymore. She's not live on snow anymore. She's just on rock. No. What? Hey, hold on. Bye, polar bear.
Zero might be inside at this time, so we might only get to see Aurora. But it's Aurora.
We don't know right now. Maybe inside.
You missed
Alright guys,
it.
now there's one other really fun fact that I love to tell people about polar bears. So what do polar bears eat? Fish, yeah.
Billy. Polar bear. Hey.
Berries.
You.
That's what berries do. They are meat eaters. So
Get out of my butt.
found out from a lot of them. So they're gonna have a lot of
Leaving your butt.
something really neat about these guys guys, has to do with their fur. Because since they do spend a lot of their time going into the water and they live in a really cold environment, their fur is actually specially designed. It's actually hollow inside. And that's going to help when they get out of the water, all that water just kind of comes right off. If their fur was like dog fur or cat fur or something like that, you probably know if you give a dog a bath, it stays wet for a while, right? Somebody say. But yeah, his fur is going to stay damp. And in a really cold environment, that's they're very well designed to be swimmers.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, come on, get us.
Doesn't he look like this one?
Don't eat me on my
Hi, Polar Bear. That's a robot. That's a robot. I will.
Hey, big fat polar bear.
No, don't go down. No.
Big fat. They keep
No.
I can see him. They're all laying down. They're all laying down.
Come on, Polar Bear. Come out and play.
Ooh, there's another one.
Well, there's no water down here, but she has water on the other side. She can go first again.
I think there's a baby polar bear.
Guys, let's go see some animals.
This is a silver rhinoceros. We have two of them here at the zoo, and they're brothers. They're Bill and Roscoe, and I don't know which is which.
It's gonna poop.
But you see how like they're together during the day, all day, so at nighttime we separate them. Because you know, like if you guys got brothers and sisters, sometimes you want to be away from them for a while. So we keep them separated. Look at how big he is. Doesn't he look kind of like a dinosaur that you see? With the skin and the big horn that he has. He's just beautiful, isn't he?
Yeah.
It's an
Now,
elephant.
does anybody know what these guys eat? Plants. What does that mean? What are they? They eat herbivores. That's correct. Look it up here. And all they do is eat plants. But they eat lots and lots of it. So look at the big horn. You see the big horn on the nose?
Maybe they'll get a
These guys
video
are
of them taking a
endangered.
crap.
There's not a lot of these left in the wild because they're destroying their habitat, but also because people
how he
kill
was.
them just to take the horn. They leave everything else and they just take the horn because, like chiefs in the African tribes and stuff, it used to be a symbol of status to have a rhino horn. They're very expensive. They're illegal to trade. Or you can't take them across, countries, different countries and stuff. And also, if you look at him, see how his ears are going in different directions? Rhinos can't see very good. Look at how tiny his eyes are. They're very sensitive to hearing, so he can hear all kinds of stuff. And his eyes are on the side of his head. Why do you think that is?
What's your name?
He can see predators. So if a big lion's coming at him, he can see him coming from either side. Yeah. And you know what? So a lot of animals that are prey have eyes on the sides of their heads. Think of a rabbit. Eyes on the sides of their heads. Think of a coyote. Eyes are right straight ahead. Look at us. We have our eyes right straight ahead. And we're hunters too, right? So if you see an animal that has eyes on the side of their head, that kind of means that sometimes they're prey. We are predators, unfortunately, aren't we? And then look at these guys over here. These guys. These are meerkats, guys. And these guys are a family. They look like a family unit. They're crawling on the ground. Aren't they so cute? These guys are kind of how long these guys yeah, I watch this every day. Sometimes they have guys that look out, that are just watching out for trouble, and then they let everybody know there's trouble. See that little tube in there? What they do is put little balls and stuff. We have some little things that we put in their cages for the animals to give them enrichment and make them fight them. And they're kosher, so that's what they do. Aren't they so cute? Yeah, so rhinos are very endangered, and they're trying to, a lot of times they'll cut their horns off, so then the poachers won't want them. But what the poachers do now anyway, the poachers will kill them anyway because they track a rhino's tracks. So they track the rhino and it doesn't have a horn.
that stupid line? Not come true. He looks like me. I want to pick his nose. I don't want to pick his nose. He's coming to us. He's mad.
Did you get him pooping yet? Oh god, they're thinking this.
Wow, I see his meat at you.
He's gonna lay down.
I'm tired. Take a nap.
I'm gonna eat grass while it falls. Bye bye. What? Get back up.
No.
He's gonna get back up.
It's hard to see because
He's gonna get back up. Watch.
the camera.
Like in 3 more minutes.
Mine's on the other side.
In like 3 more minutes.